Hello guys, good day everyone. You are highly welcome to my channel. I still remain my humble self, Gashi. Today I will be showing you guys easiest form from the best illustration on how to set up Omega Network token on MetaMask under the Omega Network. I repeat, Omega Network token, that is the test net of Omega Network inside the MetaMask. It's not the token that was wrapped, that will be wrapped under the Binance this time around. Is the Omega Testnet. Now let's proceed. Please, if you are new to this cryptocurrency innovating, please kindly download MetaMask application, which is MetaMask wallet, and that is the Ethereum wallet. Once you download the MetaMask application, set up the application by save your passphrase, do all the necessary things. Once you are in, now let's proceed. Once you have launched the MetaMask application after the successful setup, we have of two types to add the network. The first one is by clicking at the top, that is at the network main, at the network side at the top inside your MetaMask application. By scrolling down, you will see the add network. That's the first method. I will not use this, let me back. The other one is by clicking the left side. Once you click the left side, tap on settings. By tapping on settings, scroll down, you will also see the network, that is add and edit network. Under this, I will click on, if you look at mine, I didn't have anything like Omega Network inside this. I will click on add network. By clicking on add network, I will tap on custom network by the right side. Once I done that, I will click on, I will now feed the necessary information into this space. That is the necessary information of the network name, RPC. Now it's as simple as ABC. Follow the procedures. Under this, I will put Omega Testnet. Omega Testnet. After this, I will insert the RPC. Here is the RPC, that is the https://test-rpcomtch.com. That's that. I will make sure I will copy this as well. Let me copy it so that I will edit for further illustration. Under this chain, you will put 816. Once you put 816, our symbol, you can leave it like that, but it is the same. I will put OMN. Let me put OMN for this. Under the Explorer, the one I copy from the top, I will paste it like this. Under this RPC, because we are dealing with Explorer in this place, I will insert Explorer. I will insert Explorer. Once I will tap on add. That's that. Omega Testnet now active. It told me Omega Testnet as active. If you check at this, it will show my what? It will show my normal amount of OMN. For you, if you didn't know how to claim the OMN, I will drop the link below so that you will know how to claim your what? Omega Network faucet from the website given to us. Omega Network faucet. I've already done the video about that so that you will know how to claim your OMN network, that is Omega Network faucet. Now let's do this. Under this clip, I will be talking about how to add Omega Network token under the Omega Network. Now the next thing is what? The other one is how to set up. The other one is what? Is how to swap Omega token and how to add the liquidity and removing the liquidity from Omega pool. Now let's proceed. I will go to the web. You will tap on the right side. This is my web. I've already here. Let me show you the web address of this. Here is our web address. By tapping at the top, here is our swap address. Let me copy it so that you guys will see. I will go to the new page now. Normal. This is where we are going. That is testnet/swap.omtc.com. That's our Omega Swap website. Now click at this right top side, that is the menu, tap on swap. For the first coming, it will ask you to connect your MetaMask, to connect your Omega Network address. It will ask you the one you see. It has already collected. It has already connected. That's mine. I click on swap. It brings me to this place. Now let me swap for you guys to see. Let me tap on. Let me use 0.5 of Omega Network token. I want to change it to which kind? Okay. Let me change it to. Okay, I have BNB, I have this. Let me look for another thing to swap with. Let me swap it with Binance. Let's see this is the total amount of the BNB I will be getting. Now let me tap on swap. By tapping on swap, it will ask me to confirm the swap. I accept the price. I proceed. It asks me to waiting for confirmation. That is, from this place you need to scroll down to see your confirm, where to confirm. If I want to reject, I can click on this bear. We click on confirm. By confirming this, let me allow it to load. Finish. Transaction submitted. What do I call it? Transaction submitted. That's how to swap. Now let us back. At this particular place, if you want to add the liquidity, you need to go to Omega Pool. From this top side, we have the swap at the left side, we have the pool at the right side. Let me tap on pool. By tapping on pool, it asks me to add liquidity. What do I call it? Liquidity. By doing this, I will tap on add or import it here. He said, don't seal a pool you join. That is, if I didn't see the pool I joined, I need to import it. Now let me add liquidity. By this, what we mean by liquidity is by adding the two assets. That is, you have the two coin value. It can either be in fiat or in normal currency. They can either be BNB and others. But I will be using what? I will be using Omega Network with Binance, with the one I swap now. And I can also use another coin or another fiat like BUSD or USDT. But because of the explanation and the illustration I promise you guys, I will be using BNB. Let me select the token. Okay, I've selected the BNB against OMN, that is Omega Network. I've selected Omega Network against BNB. Now let me use the maximum of BNB. You can use any one you like. That just make sure that the one you select against the other, it has the same value. Now let me approve BNB. That is the one I want to add the liquidity of Omega per BNB. Let me approve. The network is somehow bad there. Transaction submitted. That's successful. That's it. Transaction complete. Now you can see the total value of these particular things. Okay, let me supply it. He said you will receive this particular to deposit. So transaction submitted. That's it. Let me close it so that you will see what we are doing. Add that particular amount. Transaction complete. Oh, hit. Here is our what? Here is our liquidity pool. Here is my position. I put what? BNB value of 0.0267 against Omega Network 0.4985 498. That's that about that. To add and remove your liquidity, let us go back to remove our liquidity so that you will know how to do that. Here is my liquidity, that is BNB against OMN. Let me tap on it. By tapping on it, I will see remove or add if I still want to add another one. Now let me tap on remove. By tapping on remove, it will ask you to choose the actual percentage you want to remove. Now I will use maximum. I want to remove everything. Now I will click on approve. By tapping on approve, it will bring out this thing that is I need to sign the message. To approve what I want to do. I can go, okay, here is it. Sign. It show what? It showed approved. That is, I've approved that. Now it has not done yet though. I will now click on remove. After clicking on remove, it will ask me to confirm. I need to wait for confirmation. After waiting for confirmation, I still need to confirm. I like this security. That is transaction submitted. I now need to go back. Transaction submitted. If you check out this particular place, you will not see anything again. It said remove so. I can even view it from this particular place, that is view on Etherscan. I can track my transaction. See, there is no record about it. BNB 0, OMN, that Omega Network dash. I didn't have any of that. My position under the liquidity is 0. Now let's back. I didn't have anything at this particular place. I show you before I move into it. Your liquidity, that is no liquidity fund. I didn't have any. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the note. If you find this thing interesting, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn the notification button for more legit updates. I still remain your guy, Honorable Gashi. Thank you very much.